Alright, by being persistent and remaining consistent, you maintain a great existence. But always the magic of the universe is always beckoning us to light up our divine spark. So light it up.
We become paralyzed if we rebel against our handicap.
Making the most of ourselves and leaving the rest is always life test. So we master ourselves by facing our deficiency. And to keep flying, we must know when to rest our wings. That your purpose is the promise you made to yourself. So, so we became what we think of ourselves. By being consistent and remaining persistent, we maintain a great coexistence and a great existence.